PM Modi made the crowd burst out in laughter as he joked about his visit to China at the Semicon launch event. Listen in.
कल रात ही मैं जापान और चीन की यात्रा करके वापस लौटा हूं। आप गया था इसकी ताली बजा रहे हो कि आया हूं इसकी ताली बजा रहे हो?
A day after Rahul Gandhi warned that the Congress was preparing major revelations regarding alleged vote chori, the BJP retaliated by accusing Congress leader Pawan Kheda of holding 2 active voter IDs, branding the Congress party as a quintessential vote chore. BJP shared voter list photographs from New Delhi constituencies to support their claim against Kheda, who leads Congress's media wing and has been vocal about the alleged voter chori and voter list irregularities. Kheda responded that he had long ago applied to surrender his old voter card and questioned why the election authorities had not removed his name yet.
So, Kheda, you've been accused by BJP of holding multiple epic cards.
Well, I got to know today that I have another epic card from the address which I shifted from in 2016. And after that, my staff filled the Form 7. And after that, the responsibility is with the Election Commission of India. Since then, the roles have been revised 4 or 5 times. This shows the functioning of the Election Commission of India, how the BLOs function. They don't even visit the locality. Without visiting the locality, they just repeat the names. This is what Mr. Gandhi has been raising since August 7th. This is why we are saying vote chore, because lakhs and lakhs of people like me would have multiple cards and they would be getting misused by the BJP.
BJP is saying essentially this is why Election Commission is bringing SIR, no?
SIR, what they are doing, and it's exposed now in Bihar, is that they are legitimizing these very anomalies. They are showing dead people alive and living people dead. They are showing 75% of women having migrated, having gone in search of jobs in several constituencies while their husbands or their brothers or the sons or the fathers are still there. Is it possible?
पवन खेड़ा जो राहुल गांधी के करीबी हैं, उनके पास 2 एपिक नंबर हैं। राहुल गांधी के करीबी वोटर धांधली और वोटर फ्रॉड के अंदर संलिप्त है, जो रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ पीपल एक्ट के हिसाब से क्रिमिनल है, गैर कानूनी है, उसका सेक्शन 62 सब क्लॉज 2 को वायलेट करता है। तो मतलब क्या कांग्रेस पार्टी, राहुल गांधी एक वोटर धांधली का रैकेट चला रहे हैं, जिसमें वो अलग अलग कांग्रेस के नेताओं को मल्टीपल एपिक आईडीज जब उनके पास पाए जाते हैं, उन सबको संरक्षण राहुल गांधी देते हैं।